ating dinner ngayon. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese and fried chicken. Okay. Yan yung ating macaroni cheese. Tsaka fried chicken. Yan. More fried chicken. And cheese macaroni. Cheese macaroni and fried chicken. Okay. Tsaka siyempre yung ating yan. Tsaka siyempre may bread tayo. Hindi maalis sa ating hapunan yung ating sliced bread. Ayan. Na, finish na. Ready to eat na tayo, guys. Ayan. Fried chicken and macaroni cheese and bread. Yan ang no rice.